Hi, my name is Rani Jayratnam. I am a labor market specialist and the program coordinator for the Connector program at Success Skills Center. Would you like to connect with the employers and individuals in your field of expertise? Success Skills Center has the Connector program, a formalized networking to help internationally educated professionals to expand their network through meetings one-on-one or in group settings. In the networking session, there are opportunities to meet employers and business leaders to have a coffee to discuss labor market information related to specific occupations. This Connector program launched in late 2017. Up to now, 87% of the participants had a chance to network with their same industry sector employers to gain access to labor market information directly. These job seekers had a chance to access to the hidden job markets through their connectors and resourcing mentors.